The bromeliads, butterflies, frogs, birds, and agoutis. Tropical forest organisms have vibrant and eye-catching colors. Being colorful in a tropical forest can be advantageous. Brightly colored flowers, for example, are successful at attracting pollinators like hummingbirds, who deposit pollen into a flower while drinking nectar. Colorful wings communicate potential danger to a predator. The evolution of the stay away from me mechanism has yielded beautiful patterns and color combinations. However, not everything wants to stand out and be seen. Color is not the only way to communicate in a tropical forest. Some organisms camouflage their exterior as a means to avoid predation and to survive. The white witch moth, Thysania agrippina, has tricked us all. It uses its environment as a disguise and remains unseen during all hours of the day. As it rests sideways on the tree trunk, the cryptic coloration of its wings mimics the longitudinal fibers of the trunk. This exquisite camouflage allows it to live undetected during the day and drink flower nectar at night. Bats are its principal predator, and with a 30-centimeter wingspan and clumsy flying, the white witch moth seems like an easy kill. However, the white witch has a small body relative to its wingspan, making it a difficult prize to attain. We talked with Jason, a Las Cruces station biologist for the last 30 years, about the mysteries of this moth. Jason first learned about the moth from his grandfathers, who told him stories about the moth's ability to transform into a witch at night. His slight fear of the moth as a child also generated curiosity, and now, as a station biologist, he is always eager to point out the moth to visitors of Las Cruces. After watching the moths for some years, he noticed that they are only found on trees with white bark. Even when disturbed during the day, they are able to find their way back to a white bark tree. However, its skillful disguise makes research very difficult. We still do not know which flowers it pollinates, how long it takes to complete its life cycle, how it defends against predators, and what factors contributed to such a unique adaptation. The moth's survival is tied to the survival of white-barked trees. Increased deforestation of tropical forests puts this moth at risk of extinction. Though not as colorful and charismatic as hummingbirds and butterflies, there is much to learn about camouflage pollinators. Scientific research can lead the way to exciting discoveries if only we open our eyes and see the unseen.